Group number 8, Pharmacy, Chernobyl Medical State University.
Welcome to
5
Obama's.
course, then go into force.
Can I speak?
No.
Good they can.
No.
Welcome to Obama swimming pool. This is where the the White House men swim, and we all swim here. I could remember Michelle Obama was swimming here last week. You understand? And now let's go to where Snoop Dogg smoke weed.
Okay, come in. Go in. My God, what this road, man? You're crazy, Chinado.
This is not the road.
Then we're going back to Obama swimming pool.
They like how you go for anyhow. Everywhere it's people. Hey. If they give you option of working in a hospital or in a factory, which one will you choose?
Factory.
In the factory.
You?
Yeah.
You
Factory.
Hassan? If they tell you to work in the factory,
Yes.
or in the hospital, where would you like to work?
Where?
Yeah. Work in a hospital?
Yes.
Or work in factory?
بعد ما تخرج إذا قالوا لك تشتغل بالمستشفى ولا بال
No, in factory, better.
What you?
Yes.
What about you?
Yes.
Me? I work
Because
in factory.
like laboratory, man. Like laboratory, I like.
I sound like anything laboratory.
Laboratory work very, very good.
Let's go from here.
Welcome to the house of
Laboratory
Abdullah.
like it's a hospital, not like a factory.
Factory, what do you think? Factory, all factory for drugs. All factory.
Julia Yuchenko.
They have
You have put
laboratories.
camera.
Is that what I was saying?
Julia
For
Yuchenko.
drugs.
Julia, you think? I was thinking of the woman's name first. Yeah, to be done.
Snake.
Bush doctors. No, we are looking for advance. Bush doctors look for leads. That is pharmacy. Look for leads.
What is wool?
This is where you put lions. You understand? But right now the lions are out for food or something.
Go out, eat something.
Yeah. They come. Welcome to the gate. This is the gate here.
Somebody from
You open and put and close. Let's head to the forest, man.
You remember when we snap picture here?
Yeah, I remember everything. Oh man.
هذا لما صورنا سوا.
This where boys get high with vodka. You can see. This is a vodka bottle.
I can see everything, man.
Wow.
This is where boys.
What, Chinad? What happened to you?
What, my leg?
Oh, very nice. Oh, vodka.
People, beer.
يخرب بيت انتم قد ايه شربانين. ليك
Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Now, we are pharmacy students and we are giving an assignment to look for the which plant for what is that thing for cardiac insufficiency?
Ginseng.
Ginseng.
Yes. This is very good.
We are here to look for plant to create
For
Viagra.
Nigerian man.
No, Nigerian man, you know, African man, they have energy. If you don't have energy for any other thing, they have energy for that.
Viagra.
Wait, face me the camera. We are here to look for plants that we can use to add to other substances to create Viagra.
From it,
For the boys to be walking, you know. I didn't say anything walking. I didn't say anything, man.
Maybe someone see this video, man.
Yeah, but
Yes.
the person see the video, but the person use Viagra.
Ah,
so
Viagra.
what's wrong there?
Yeah.
We want to help the person to manage.
Maybe some women, some girls look at this video.
Yeah, the girls like it because when the boy have the Viagra, the girls cannot feel it for 30 minutes.
It's bad, very bad.
Bad. Okay, so guys, please, no one speak a bad word.
Viagra is not bad word. Go and Google it.
Let's go in. Let's go in.
Ask Google. No smoking in this jungle. It can cause fire.
we want cellulose. Where? Cellulose water. Okay, we want cellulose water.
And this way.
I'm on another Kapati mountain. How are we going back?
This is Chernobyl mountain, man.
Say.
This is Canopy Mountain.
But here they produce cellulose here.
Yes, but which?
This is spring.
I remember here, man.
Huh?
Maybe in spring they put this because the olive tree in spring work and water. Remove.
It was here.
So maybe they stop.
You see?
Yeah, cellulose for cellulose.
wood. Yeah, this for cellulose.
For cellulose. Cellulose water.
For making paper. Paper. This is another road to another country.
Another mountain, huh?
This is not good water. This is water from hospital.
This feature a friend from Nigeria. He like girls many and he like vodka
I
many.
hate girls. I don't like girls.
Because they have enough of them.
This is dirty water.
هاي بقايا مستشفى يعني؟
ايه وامدنه مية نظيفة عادي.
Was not here you snap picture.
Yeah. I remember everything. Yeah, the first time we came here. Yeah.
I'm surprised that you guys have walked to psychiatric hospital.
Remember when you enter inside bush I snapped you?
I have.